If you're experiencing the PUBG Cloud Save Error 2026, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue and get back to playing. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official PUBG website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close PUBG completely and then restart it. This can refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you are playing on PC, use the game launcher Steam or Epic Games to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Check internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable. You can try resetting your router or switching to a wired connection if you're using Wi-Fi to improve stability. Step 5. Relink Cloud Save. If the issue persists, go to the game settings and unlink your Cloud Save account, then relink it. This can help refresh your save data and resolve syncing issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Cloud Save error and enjoy your gaming experience. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to PUBG support for further assistance.